What's up guys? Hope you are all doing well. In today's video, we're going to discuss how Microsoft algorithms will help farmers and the planet. Can the people of the world be fed without ruining the planet in the process? Among the many scientists, organizations, companies, and farmers working on this problem is Microsoft. Yesterday, the tech giant unveiled what they call the Farm's Future Toolkit. It is a set of algorithms designed to increase food yield while reducing costs and environmental impact. Soils aren't getting richer, says Ranveer Chandra, who founded Microsoft's agricultural research divisions in 2014. Water levels are retreating, then there is climate change. How to get the world to grow more nutritious foods in a sustainable way. One of the most promising approaches is data-driven agriculture. Agriculture is the fifth largest greenhouse gas emitter in the world, responsible for over 11% of annual emissions. However, it is integral to humanity's survival and is in danger due to extreme weather events related to climate change, such as drought. Inspired by these situations, Microsoft Research started its agricultural research divisions 8 years ago with the goal of creating farmer augmentations technologies such as the recently released FarmVibes. AI within FarmVibes.ai is a suite of algorithms intended to help farmers like Washington-based farmer and computer engineer Andrew Nelson increase accuracy when it comes to planting, harvesting, and distributing crops. Microsoft's research team has been testing Project FarmVibes on Nelson's 7,500 acres farms since 2017, when they saved 35% with just one herbicide this spring. With the help of Microsoft and his background in computer science, Nelson piloted drones and placed sensors on the ground while running the Project FarmVibes algorithms. Together, these tools allowed him to create maps to strategically spray herbicides and understand ideal seed depths to plant. Now, some of these same algorithms are becoming open source, which means anyone can download, redistribute, and modify them for their own use. Fertile ground. FarmVibes.ai is just the first of several versions of Project FarmVibes software planned with the aim of increasing accuracy and productivity in farming. This first version includes 4 main components in the FarmVibes.ai suite. One component, Async function, uses sensors in the soil along with satellite and drone imagery to create nutrient and moisture distribution maps over a selected area of land, providing farmers with information on where to place fertilizers and seeds, which reduces over-fertilizations and waste. Then there's SpaceEye, another open-source FarmVibes.ai program announced by Microsoft in December 2021, which can digitally remove clouds from satellite imagery and allow farmers to detect where weeds are growing so they can apply herbicides more precisely. SpaceEye acquires radar images and the signals pass through the clouds, Chandra says, revealing the previously hidden Earth below. So, let's use another AI scheme we have developed called Partial Observing GAN and start predicting which image is under the clouds, adds Chandra. Another FarmVibes.ai tool, DeepMC, provides hyper-localized climate forecasts to farmers by collecting information on temperature, pressure, humidity, radiations, precipitations, wind, and more from a network of distributed sensors and forecast data from local stations. These microclimate forecasts allows farmers to customize what they plant and when based on specific conditions of their farm. For some of our chemicals, if you apply them and freeze occurs, you lose 40% of your yield, says Nelson. The problem is that our weather forecasts are very general for the area and we have rolling hills. Sometimes, there can be a difference of 10 to 20 degrees between the top and bottom of the hill, so having the DeepMC positioned at crop level makes a big difference. Let's take a look at carbon capture. Regarding sustainability, FarmVibes.ai has a what-if analysis tool that estimates the impacts of agriculture on carbon sequestration. As plants, including Nelson's crops, photosynthesize, they absorb carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas from the air. These plants then store this carbon in their own biomass, thus contributing to the removal of atmospheric carbon. The soil is made up of decaying plants, making it the largest terrestrial carbon sink in the world. If farmers choose to take precautions through methods such as conservative tillage and minimize their soil disturbance, they can help promote the best conditions for seizure. Through the What If tool, farmers can learn how their farm conditions combined with farming methods can enable them to better store carbon. This can generate an additional source of income for farmers in the form of carbon credits, allowing them to earn up to $30 per acre per year at the popular startup Indigo Ag. But obviously, plants are not the largest producers of greenhouse gases in agriculture. They are animals, more precisely cows. While Microsoft hasn't run as many animal tests, Chandra says, these tools can be reused to measure livestock emission. Just as Andrew flies a drone to measure crop stress, we fly drones over grazing cows. You could see how they move, how they're pooped, says Chandra. While the technology is not yet meant to be used directly by farmers, unless you're a software engineer like Nelson, the fact that it is now open source offers an avenue for Microsoft partners like Land O'Lakes and the USDA to create products with these algorithms and deliver them to farmers, Chandra said. With that being said, it's time to end today's video. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Peace out.